morning everyone. So today I'm gonna make the very interesting Isan style food. It's like style of the Thai food, like countryside, whatever it is. So it'll be very interesting. And the ingredient I'm gonna make is that one. So we're gonna use the big knife to cut the jackfruit. Oops. Please. We're gonna use the young one. We're not gonna use the old one. The old one can eat like by themselves, but the young one can cook as well. So we're gonna use the young one for cooking. Okay, let's get started. It's everywhere in my hometown. Okay, let's go. We're gonna pick up the vegetable. The one who making the green juice because we need it. Yeah. Yeah. They say like it's a lot of and be careful. I said okay. Isan style. It's like usual. We have to pick up the very green one. Yeah, I think it should be enough. Smell very strong. Look, that's why she say careful of the ants. The ant is everywhere. But you think they're gonna have like the egg in there, like the one we do the video before? No, no egg, no egg. Okay, let's go. This one gonna be like put on the top. It's like topping, making nice flavor. The chili, I think. So we're gonna pick up the chili as well. Of course. And everywhere. Here we're gonna like clean it up. So we're gonna peel the skin. We have to clean up with the water like all the time because they're very sticky. Look, very sticky. So we're gonna cut like this part. Become like this, like a flower. Okay. And we have to cut the middle one because I cannot eat. It's like very hard. We're gonna use only this one. really sticky in my hand. Oops. That's it. Okay. So now I'm gonna do the chili pads and doing the green juice. The green juice to making the soup. Okay, I'm finished. Normally my mom, my auntie and me like we help each other all the time when we cook because we have like more than 8-10 people eating like every morning, every like lunch. We have a big family. So I'm gonna leave it here when it's boiling. I'm gonna put some jackfruit in, and we're gonna put some anchovy, salt, and that's it. That's it. It's so good because the sweet thing, the jackfruit is become sweet after when they cook. So easy. So I'm gonna put some chili. Haven't cooked yet. I'm gonna put some chili pad in. So gonna be like usual. Everything chili. And gonna put some salt. I think like 1.5 spoon. And we're gonna put the anchovy juice. Like a lot. And we got some dry fish as well. It's dry fish. So we put the fish on the sun and we cook, like grill them, and then we put in the sun again. It takes about like 3-4 days to cooking your dry fish, and then we can eat for the whole year. I'm gonna put a lot because I love it. And the last thing I'm gonna put this one we call the shaom. I don't think you guys have it for making like nice smelling. And then the basil, the Thai basil is another one. So we have like 3 types of the Thai basil. So one pat krapao, one is making with curry, and one making like for the food side of the country. So we're gonna wait a little bit until the dry fish is like start with the soup. Wow. We got more fresh chili in as well. Done. Whoa. It looks so good. Size of the country food, always amazing. Wow, it's so good. The dry fish and really juicy, definitely spicy. And can smell like the dry fish. It's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye. สวัสดีค่ะ